All right, so I got the hood on. It fits perfectly, and I love it. So that's good to know because, well, I just reused the original mounts, and it works. So now I can install the bumper, which is right here, which looks sick. And I also have the spare fender and the headlights. I also bought some taillights because I thought, why not, with me already getting other parts. And I think we can rig the NB1 lip to work on the NB2. So I'll try to film that as well. And let's just see how it looks. We're gonna mock it up together. So starting off, I'm gonna go ahead and put the fender on just so we can align the headlight and the front bumper and see how that fitment is. So I'm gonna go ahead and disassemble all of this. So my dad brought up a good idea, and we think we're gonna do it before repainting the car, but going to put like bed liner or something there and on the inside so we don't have to worry about rust. But for today, we're just gonna be mocking it up. So yeah, have to line that up just right. So gonna bring that there. 2 different shades of yellow, but that's okay. This thing needs a repaint anyways. Okay. Now we're gonna try to line this up without scratching all the paint. Okay, right, I went ahead and loosened that bolt there, so we should be able to just slide it in place. Now since I have that in place, now I can reach my hand underneath and get it tight. I'm gonna get under here a little bit tight first, just to add some support. All right, so we got that on. Next, we have ourselves the headlights because you have to put the headlights in before the fender. A little bit different on the NB2 headlights than NB1. So here's a quick difference of the two. The NB2 lights they have this little piece right there, which locks in with the bumper. This is an NB1, and it doesn't have that. The other difference is the angle. If you look at the angle, it fits properly with the bumper here. This side, it's just too narrow enough, so narrow that there's no fitment. So I would have to like trim that off to be able to get the NB2 bumper to fit. Then after lining them up, we should be able to just slide this right on up, like so. Make sure that's underneath and not on top. There we go. And booyah, look at that. Let me get that a little bit closer. Still need to work out some stuff, but oh, that looks great. So after all that, we reattached it, and there we go. So yeah, I need to fix the sag in that. But yeah, there is some problems though with this. So the person before me, apparently the person before him, the owner chopped that off for whatever reason. Maybe a wide body is what I'm thinking, like over fenders. So I might 3D print something to fill that in. Also gonna 3D print some stuff so I can put some Jeep fog lights in. And also had another fun feature that I don't want to tell you yet. I wanted to be a surprise. So yeah, looks pretty good. All right, so I was able to come over here and use the existing band bolt thing, and I connected it to the hole that's here. I need to fix that. And it's 2 different shades of yellow, as you can tell. So now the question is, do I want to go with that or that, you know? But absolutely love the way the front end looks with the 2 shade, not necessarily with the purple. When you come over here, it actually looks pretty cool. I really like it. And then this side is cut as well. And I need to pull it out a little bit. I don't have a band bolt thing, so I can't really strap it too well. But I kind of like that cut look with it going in. Gives it a wide body look, even though it's not. Now it's time to add some other details, but yeah, I think that's probably good for today. All right, so next video, I'll be going over the wiring of the headlights because NB2 headlights are a bit different than NB1 when it comes to the wiring. So I'm gonna do a DIY how to do that on a budget. So you don't have to buy the $70 harness. So stay tuned for that, and yeah, see you guys later.